Welcome to our YouTube video on how to optimize your Fiverr profile for maximum success. Whether you're a new freelancer or an experienced seller, having a well-optimized profile is crucial for attracting clients and increasing your earning potential on Fiverr. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. In this video, we'll guide you through step-by-step strategies to optimize your Fiverr profile and boost your chances of success on the platform. Step 1. Choose a professional profile picture. Your profile picture is the first impression clients have of you. Select a professional-looking photo that reflects your brand and the services you offer. Make sure your face is clear and visible, and avoid using distracting backgrounds or filters. Step 2. Write a compelling profile description. Your profile description is an opportunity to showcase your skills and expertise. Write a compelling and concise description that highlights your unique selling points and what sets you apart from others. Use keywords related to your services to improve your profile's visibility in search results. Step 3. Select the right service categories and subcategories. Fiverr offers a wide range of service categories and subcategories. Choose the ones that best match your skills and the services you provide. Being specific in your selection will help you target the right audience and increase your visibility among potential clients. Step 4. Showcase your portfolio and previous work. Your portfolio is a powerful tool to demonstrate your abilities and build trust with clients. Include high-quality samples of your previous work that represent your skills and expertise. Be selective and showcase a diverse range of projects to showcase your versatility. Step 5. Define your gig packages and pricing. Clearly define your gig packages and pricing to avoid confusion. Offer different packages that cater to different client needs and price them competitively based on the value you provide. Ensure that your pricing reflects your skills, experience, and the effort required for each project. Step 6. Utilize relevant tags and keywords. Tags and keywords play a crucial role in improving the discoverability of your profile. Research and incorporate relevant keywords and tags in your gig titles, descriptions, and tags section. This will help potential clients find your services when they search for specific keywords on the platform. Step 7. Provide exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is essential for success on Fiverr. Respond promptly to client inquiries, maintain clear and open communication, and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. Positive reviews and client satisfaction will enhance your reputation and attract more clients. Step 8. Update your profile regularly. Keep your profile and gig information up to date. Regularly update your portfolio with new samples and projects. Consider optimizing your gig descriptions based on client feedback and changing market trends. Staying relevant and updated shows potential clients that you're actively engaged and committed to delivering high-quality work. Step 9. Request feedback and reviews. Positive feedback and reviews are powerful social proof. After completing successful projects, kindly request feedback from clients and encourage them to leave reviews on your profile. Positive reviews will enhance your credibility and attract more clients. Step 10. Promote your Fiverr profile. Utilize social media platforms, online communities, and industry-related networks to promote your Fiverr profile. Share your gigs, engage with potential clients, and offer valuable insights related to your services. Building a strong online presence will increase your visibility and attract clients to your profile. By following these optimization strategies, you can maximize your success on Fiverr. Remember to consistently provide excellent service, stay updated, and actively promote your profile to attract clients and grow your freelancing business. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.